Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send your BNB from Bybit to Kucoin. First of all, log into your Bybit account, then hover over the assets on the top right menu and go to the funding account page. Right here, you need to find BNB. Just use the search bar and type BNB, then click withdraw button on the right side. And now the important thing, you need to choose the chain. BNB has got only one chain, which is BNB Smart Chain BIP20 network. And you can see the fees, which is very low, 0.36. So we are choosing BIP20 network. Now we need to find the wallet address from Kucoin. Let's go to our Kucoin account, then go to your assets on the top right menu, go to your funding account. In the search, find BNB, and you need to choose the first one, which is BNB. Click deposit, choose the network. We need to choose, there are two networks, but we need to choose BIP20 BNB Smart Chain Network. The same thing, guys, we are choosing on Bybit. So this is the same network. And copy the wallet address from Kucoin, go back to Bybit and paste the wallet address in this gap. So enter the amount of BNB you're sending, for example, 1 BNB, and you need to click the confirm button. The transaction fee will be fixed, guys. As you can see, you need to confirm and finalize the payment. Then you can go back to Kucoin, and in a few minutes you can check your wallet, go to your assets and check funding account. Here will appear your BNB balance, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.